45k. Yes, what you do?
40. It can't be more than like 45k.
I think it's going to be 70k. Yeah.
How much do you think the bill is going to be? 150k.
One bag. Okay, I was closer. Okay. Hi guys, good morning. Today is Saturday. Actually, this is my first Saturday in Abuja, so I'm excited to get today started. Obviously I look cute. I feel like now that I look cute, I have like so much confidence and energy. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this is actually my first time like doing makeup on this trip, and I ate. Come on now, come on now. I literally said I wasn't going to vlog today, but I was just like, you know what, why not? So today I'm going for my very first polo game, so I'm really excited. But yeah, I hope I actually remember to take videos and all that. So yeah, please subscribe, like this video, and share. Okay, yeah, anyways, let's go. The mirror is kind of dirty, but this is the outfit. Guys, I woke up not so long ago, did like my devotions and everything, so but I have to go shower because my friend's actually coming soon. Okay, let's eat some polo for breakfast. Oh my gosh, I feel like I want this with my dress. Wait, is this one? I think this one is cold. I think the one you put is warm. I don't know, let's try. Oh my gosh, like this looks so good, you guys. Good, thank you. Like, I feel like all I've done in my vlogs is just like eating a lot, but I mean, I'm in Nigeria. When in Nigeria, you have to eat. Okay, let's try it. Let's do a taste test. It's kidding. Cute. But guys, let me go get ready before my friend gets here.
I'm getting sick and I'm tired of living life this way. Lord, without you here with me, all I seem to do is make mistakes. I'm asking, is there a limit to your mercy? 'Cause I wanna know. I wanna go back to the days where for you I was thirsty. Okay now, Lord, I apologize. Again, I crucified you. I try to fight it, but it's clear I need you to survive. So many times I tried with my own devices, but you told me everything I need you have provided. Blind to your love, was deaf to your call. I come before your throne of grace and I surrender all. 'Cause when I fall, you're there to catch me. So if they ask me, I'll say that your grace is all I need. Oh Lord, you see the best in me. It's why I call you Yahweh. It's why I call you Yahweh. When I'm walking through the valley, let me feel you next to me. And that's my prayer.
Oh my gosh. Your hair is so nice. It looks so nice, yeah. Wow, let's see now. See outfits. Say hi. They just got to Diva's wardrobe. Yeah, getting some of the clothes fitted and all that. You like this hair? Is this hair actually nice?
Yeah. What happened?
Yeah. I feel like I like this.
Just
I think maybe it's
you don't do
yeah. So I'm like, yeah, this will work. So we finished. Let's go to you on perfume. Yeah, so we finished from Divas and we just came to see her for some shopping. I'm excited because this place now has so many nice things. So I'm really excited for that. Hopefully I find something cute. Actually, I'm definitely going to find something cute to get. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Gusto.
Do you know what you want to get?
I know what to get this. One of my friends. How do I know what to get? Is that like a shopping basket?
Oh my god.
I'll try it.
Did you see the size?
Yes, you're getting this. Angel said she wants this. Yeah, no, I'm good. In this color? Yes. If I get another color. Yeah, let's go. Let's see what's color. I don't know. You don't mess it, don't decide what's it. Oh my gosh, you guys, that's huge. Let me go around it. I'll come back. Okay.
What is that?
Very nice service here.
It looks very simple. Did you see it online?
Yeah, I saw it on Instagram. It looks very nice.
Can you describe it for them? You didn't even try at all to wear it. Like you just said, oh, it's not my size.
It's not zipping. Oh, but this is so nice. They don't. She checked. Don't worry, I can soak in.
Nah, it can't go up.
I can't drop this dress.
Okay, let me try.
What do you mean?
Okay. Let's order it. Me, I want to order something else online actually. Okay, nah, it will break.
You feel like so cool. Are you sure?
I swear. Nah, soak your belly in.
But I like this fitting now. Look at that.
But you'll be able to eat it.
It's okay.
No, but she can move, but she's gonna just sit.
Okay, just
Okay.
okay.
Pressing her butt, so she needs to move the other.
Okay. Oh, but this is low.